Hello learners. In this tutorial we will be learning functions in JavaScript. Watch this video till the end. A function is a block of code that performs specific tasks. Instead of writing the same code multiple times, we call it whenever needed. Here is one of the version to declare a function. Look at the syntax of the code. We have function keyword followed by name of the function. Inside the parenthesis or small brackets, we can add parameters based on our requirement. There is a modern approach to write functions as JavaScript, which is by using arrow functions. Arrow functions is a shorter way to write functions in JavaScript. Let's practice some codes for better understanding of functions. First question is, let's write a function that will take two numbers and it will return the addition of those two numbers. After we have written the code, we are calling the function in the document.writeLn to print the values as returned by the function. Let's look at some other example using arrow function, in which we will pass a name and it will print hello followed by the name. We can even directly pass the name parameter without even creating the variable. Now let's create a function without any parameter. Let's try something new. This time create a function that will take a name, and will print a hello message followed by the name, but if the user does not gives any name, then the value of name will by default become as guest, and it will print hello guest. Do not forget to give your valuable suggestions in the comment box. This was all in this video. Thanks for watching this video. Like this video, share with your friends and subscribe to this channel.